Jai Srimanarayana. 52nd sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sudurdarsam idam rupam drushtavanasi yanmama देवा अप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शन कांक्षिणः ओम। Keep yourself belonging of Sri Krishna Paramatma. Sri Krishna Paramatma will definitely shower his anugraham unto you, which has never been ever received by even devatas also. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall keep myself as your belonging. Please shower your anugraham, which has never ever been received by even devatas also. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart." Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 204th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis," Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "O Parikshin Narendra, Krishna Paramatma, taking the form of so many boys and baby cows, he entered into the houses and goshalas in Vrindavanam." Actually, the previous boys and previous baby cows, those were souls got into those bodies according to their karma. Whereas now these boys, these baby cows are Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatma's forms. That is why everyone, every baby cow is glowing and filled with so much of joy. That is why when these boys, while entering into their houses, when they did their flute, when they played their flutes, immediately tanmataraha venurava tvara uttitaha uthapya dorbhihi parirabhya కొడుకుల వేణునాదములు గొబ్బున వీణులకున్ ప్రియంబులై ముడిపడలేచి ఎత్తుకొని మూర్కొని తల్లులు కౌగిలించుచున్. When these boys were playing their flutes while entering into the houses, all the mothers, all of a sudden, stopped their whatever they were working on and immediately came and all of a sudden they lifted their boys, their sons, they hugged their sons, they started kissing their sons, and they are completely filled up with so much of joy. All the mothers feeling extreme amount of happiness than they have seen in the past their own sons, but they are extremely happy now seeing these sons because these are Sakshat Sri Krishna Paramatmas. So also cows are feeling extremely happy to see baby cows. And the flute which was played by all the boys, that is bringing out such a wonderful melodious sounds, and mothers are really feeling happy and their minds are filled up with joy, and they are hugging, lifting their sons, kissing their sons and feeding their sons. Like that, all the mothers and all the cows enjoying in Vrindavanam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. कृष्णेनामरशत्रवो विनिहताः कृष्णाय तस्मै नमः. कृष्णादेव समुत्थितं जगदिदं कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं. कृष्णे तिष्ठति विश्वमेतदखिलं. हे कृष्ण संरक्ष माम्. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 11th chapter 52nd श्लोका. सुदुर्दर्शमिदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम. देवाप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः. सुदुर्दर्शमिदं रूपं दृष्टवानसि यन्मम. देवाप्यस्य रूपस्य नित्यं दर्शनकाङ्क्षिणः. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.